Hello dear, Sounds app has many amazing uses and benefits. You can set custom notification for individual contacts. Your boss is the leader, has lion personality. Your dear friend has dolphin personality. Your wife for you as dear, she is an epitome of grace, swiftness, peace, and beauty. Your daughter is canary bird with her pleasant personality. Your son is humorous person. Nature sounds help you relax, according to science. If you are bored with the standard ringtones, try annoying sounds or fart sound.